I watched Al Gore's movie, The Inconvenient Truth. And I thought to myself, you're going to get good at what you do, so why not choose an industry that's good for the world, good for the people around you? My name's Dana Miller, and I'm the Managing Director of ATEC. ATEC is a power solutions provider. We provide installation services for renewable energy, so that's being wind and solar, residential, commercial, utility, and even government contracting services. The idea behind it is essentially to create power production systems focusing on renewable energy power production. We want to reduce the amount of fossil fuels that are in use in any system in order to save money in the long term. With residential power systems, we're providing grid tie, battery backup, and off-grid systems. With commercial, we're also providing commercial scale utility interactive non-exporting systems, which basically means we can offset a lot of your energy with solar and save you a lot of money every year on electricity consumption. We endeavor to create quick turnaround times and quick response times on all the outlying islands in the BVI, as well as the major islands of Tortola, Virgin Gorda, and we're on call 24/7. In all of our services, we can provide remote monitoring, which means that we can create a system that has internet integration, so we can monitor and control your system from an iPhone or computer. At ATEC, we've got a very talented team. We have gold standard qualifications in renewable, electric, and fossil fuel-based power systems. I think the reason that we're a good fit for the BVI is that we're actually trying to create the industry from within the BVI. So we look to the construction industry, to professionals, and improve them, turn them into higher earning, more skilled members of the workforce. If we can reduce our dependence on foreign oil, we can spend that money on other very important projects like infrastructure works or education. The investment in solar energy will save you money. You're going to spend money on fossil fuel investment, and then you're going to continue to spend money on the fuel and on the maintenance. Whereas you spend money one time with renewable energy and you lock in your cost of energy for the next 20 years. I think we all have our part to play, right? So individually and as a small company here, we're moving towards a future that's clean and green.